Look at this bird!
He got another bird! He got another bird!
Go, go. Where's my mother?
Just hook, line, and sinker.
That same one.
Pull it.
The same one!
Oh my goodness.
Jesus Christ.
What a retarded bird.
What is it?
Wait.
That's a dumb bird.
It is!
Look at the other one's gonna beat him.
It's already a bird.
The same one again?
Yeah.
Dude, I would laugh so hard if it was.
We gotta make him tired first so he don't fight no more. Oh, I wanna catch one of those.
Just reel him in.
I'm trying, but he's gonna rip the line if he keep fighting.
Don't bite your arm.
This stupid bird. Hey, where are you gonna break my fishing pole?
Forget the fishing pole. A bird's life is at stake here.
Here, bring him over.
Don't hurt him now. Alright, move out of one.
I'm gonna fuck you. Release, catch and release.
He's gonna bite you. Move, Jess.
That's a catch and release.
Oh, that's a big one.
Is it the same one? Let me see the other end.
No, he got bigger feet.
No, that's the same one. Look at that.
Oh, that's the same bird.
That's the same.
You got that?
I hope so.
Oh, come on.
Don't, it's gonna hurt you.
Yeah.
It got your head. Okay. Got him.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Hey, give him a fish. Where's the fish?
Wait.
Get the fish.
Get the fish.
Give him a fish.
Why you want to give the bird a fish?
Because he got stuck.
I'm not fitting into him.
No, just Here, I get it. I'll get it.
Yeah, you're the good one.
I'll get it. Okay.
Oh, he forgot his fish. He forgot his fish. Oh well.